Chores. What are chores? Chores is like cleaning, but for your household, a chore can be described as a list of daily jobs to keep the household running smoothly and efficiently. To make very simple, cleaning is going to promote your household to be very organized. Now that we know what chores are, let's give some examples of age-appropriate chores. Children ages 6 to 9 can wipe down tables and surfaces after every meal. Kids ages 9 to 12 use a vacuum cleaner. Kids ages 12 to 16, they can take out trash. Ages 3 to 6, they can learn to pick up their toys. This helps build independence. So if you don't have popsicle sticks, you could just use some paper, or I just recycle the box. You're going to cut it into popsicle shapes, then cut out the silhouette. Next, ask your son or daughter and discuss what are some chores that you all can do as a family and as individuals. Ages 3 to 8, they should put away their toys. Explain if we don't pick up the place, it's going to be a mess and there will be no clear space for us to walk. Clear your placemats and your utensils after every meal. It gives your child a sense of responsibility for their environment. Keep bedroom tidy. This gives them independence.